We're working for a municipality up in Michigan right now. This year we have about 170 manholes for us to do, and we've been working on it for about a month. We're about halfway done. Advanced Rehabilitation Technology has the contract, and we're up here using the OBIC lining system materials. Specifically, we're using the OBIC Armor system. It's a no-dig technology. We can take 4 hours out of the day, pressure wash it, prep it, get ready, put the liner system down. And when we're done applying the OBIC liner system and we're walking away from the manhole, that manhole is stronger than it's ever been, and it has a longer life expectancy than it's ever had before. Makes sense for the cities because they don't have to worry about their system having problems because we do the rehabilitation for them. So all they have to do is check it, pop it open once every couple of years and make sure everything's running smooth. The characteristics of these OBIC liner products makes it so we can create a strong bond to the wall, but also quick so we can move on through the process. The strength that it's holding onto the wall also helps it increase the structural integrity of the original structure. OBIC has a design life of 100 years, and since we know that it's going to last, it's designed to last, and we've seen it succeed over and over again, we're going to put a date stamp on every single hole that puts our 10-year warranty on it. We stand behind it, and any problems that may arise inside that manhole, we will come back and fix it on our dime.